Hello and welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to share clickable links on Facebook Story. Watch the video till the end to learn how without skipping it, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to share clickable links on Facebook Story, you'll need to do it on your desktop. Go open your desktop and click open any web browser you want. Make sure to sign into your Facebook first, and once you are signed into your Facebook, go to another tab and open any video you want to share the link on your Facebook story. Click open any video you want, and once you do that, click on the share button and under share menu, click on Facebook. Doing this will open your Facebook automatically. Now, in order to share the clickable link on your story, go to the bottom and click on your story. You can even share the video on your newsfeed as well if you want. Now, if you want to say something about your video, then you can type in here at the upper part of the screen. At the bottom right, you can change the audience for your story as well. Choose whether you want to share your story to the public or your friends. Choose from the drop-down menu, and once you do that, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Post to Facebook. Now, if you go and check your Facebook, then you can see the story has been posted. Now, in order to click on the clickable link, you'll need to go to your mobile device and log into your Facebook first. Since you cannot click the link on your desktop, quickly go grab your mobile device, open your Facebook application from the app drawer, and go view your story by tapping on your story. As you can see that the link is present there, simply give it a tap on view website, and just like that, after tapping on the link, you'll be taken to the video I just copied the link from. That is how you can share clickable links on your Facebook story. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.